is Guillermo Fuentes, Sales Master. I want to share with you how we were introduced into this amazing business called Atomy. Let me share with you that coincidentally today we are celebrating 2 years doing this adventure. A workmate from my lovely wife, Idonia, talked about this Atomy business. And obviously, when she came back home, talked about it, and my answer was, no, I don't want to know anything about it. But she was continuing doing it with her workmate. Her name is Nimi. One day, Idonia brought me a gift and she said, Nimi is sending this present to you. She said, try it on and you will see a change in a few days. And my first testimonial is about this amazing couple. You will ask yourself, a couple? Yes, it is a couple, and my first testimonial will be about the Atomy toothpaste and the Atomy toothbrush. But first, let me explain. I was suffering from a long time of gum disease and also bad breath. So you can imagine how embarrassed I was because of that, and also the high cost for the treatment in the dental clinic. The specialists charged me between $350 and $450 a week, and I didn't see any improving in my disease. So I decided to try the toothpaste and the toothbrush, and believe it or not, after 1 week, I began to see amazing results. And even when I went to the dentist, he asked me if I was taking some antibiotic because my gum disease was decreasing. Imagine my reaction about this product. So I made my research and I discovered that the toothpaste have a natural ingredient like, for example, propolis extract that contains a natural antibiotic substance that helps to remove plaque, is antifungal, and also refreshes our breath. Another ingredient is green tea extract. This enhances the immune system. And the last one, polyphenol, and this is antioxidant and antibiotic. Now I'm going to talk about the toothbrush that is the right partner for the toothpaste, because it is being made in a way that is easy to use and most importantly doesn't get any bacteria. So I highly recommend to use, because for myself it was a big help. The second testimonial I want to share with you is about another couple, and they are Atomy detergent and Atomy softener. Before talking about this product, can I ask, have you experienced the following? When you forget to take out the clothes from the washing machine, after a while, you notice that your clothes smell like if you haven't washed them and smell. Or for example, when you change to another brand, it may create skin allergies, rashes, and some other uncomfortable issues. Well, this is because of different factors, like the chemicals they use to make these products. But guess what? With Atomy detergent and softener, you won't have these problems. And do you know why? Firstly, it is eco-friendly plant-based. Secondly, it is highly concentrated that you don't need a high quantity for a full load of clothes. It has natural soda ash that helps to separate dirt from the fabric more easily. Also has a pine needle extract that helps to reduce skin irritations. The Atomy softener is economic because it has 3 times higher concentration, gives blossom fragrance, also has a longer lasting fragrance. It penetrates deep into fiber and keeps clothes soft for a long time. Most important, the Atomy softener is made from plants and fruit as well. For that reason, it's so good and gentle with our clothes. I really hope my testimonials are useful if you are thinking about using these products.